Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Drew and we're going to do a kit unboxing of the Italeri 1/72nd scale SR-71 Blackbird. And this is a kit that I've had for a while. I actually won this in a drawing for Bob Busking's channel, and it's just been sitting in my stash, so I thought I'm going to get going on it. So this is kit number 145, and you can see a lot of details about it. The SR-71 in different languages. The completed aircraft measures 45.1 centimeters, and there's a side photo and more information there. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so you have decals right there on top. Instructions. We'll come back to those here in a little bit. And everything's bagged up into one box, or one bag. So let's take a look and see what we got. Clear parts. I'm going to leave them in there because there's one loose, so they look okay from here. So look at that. So this looks like the drone that comes with it. Here's parts of the fuselage. The top half of the fuselage. This is why they shouldn't bag it all together, because it's been scratched up pretty good, whereas other pieces were sitting on top of it. So, but that shouldn't be a problem. I'll just smooth that out with some fine grit sandpaper. And our last sprue is the other side of the fuselage. Again, some scratching. There's wheels. I'm thinking about doing this wheels up and just hanging it or putting it on a display stand, because it's an SR-71. One of the fastest things man has ever created. I think the top speed of these is still classified, but I believe they can go Mach 3 at least. That's pretty doggone fast. Alright, so there we go. There's those. Not a ton of parts. It's going to be a big sucker, though. That's whoops. It's a big aircraft. So let's take a look at the instructions. And pretty straightforward, of course. So it looks like you got an option for two different cockpit variants, and you got one where it's just this single canopy, and another one where there's one raised. I think this might be, I don't know, I think it might be a training version on this one. This is a really straightforward build, and hopefully won't take that long. I've only built technically I've built 2 Italeri kits. I recently built a Tornado, and it went together pretty well. I had a issue on the intakes, but that was easy to fix. And I also built a A6 Intruder, which was actually boxed by Tamiya, but it's the Italeri A6 Intruder, and I really like that kit. In fact, I'd like to get another one and build it. So I don't know. And then of course you got landing gear. I think you can build this without, having landing gear up, and just close the doors. And here's the markings, of course. You got Air Force markings. This is a big instruction sheet here. Yeah, so there's 2 different markings, the A and B version. The B version is the one that has that raised back canopy. But otherwise, I'll probably just stick with the all black version. Alright guys, there you go. So I'm going to get started on this, and see you on the next video. Take care, and if you'd like to follow along with the build, give me a subscribe and hit the bell, and you can follow along as I build the SR-71 Blackbird. Alright. Thanks guys, take care.